Okay, you can see me. Okay. Okay, guys. So right now I'm gonna be recording my cat, and we're gonna see if when I'm dead, I want to see what she can do and what she does. She's probably not gonna do that because she's still young and she's in heat. So yeah, she's so adorable. So let's put her on the floor. I'm gonna be on the bed, and she can jump on anytime she wants. So let's start it. Boom! Okay, now we're gonna do this a second time with your cute looking self. Okay, if you guys didn't see, probably have to redo the video. My next video, I'm gonna be doing it with my dog. So yeah, let's see what my dog's reaction is if I do it to her. So, back kitty, no, jump here. We're gonna give it a second try. And if you guys didn't know, she started licking my fingers and then biting it. She started to lick my nose for some reason. Here's why. And you went underneath my eye because you want to cuddle. I love you. Okay, but you got to get back on the floor because we're going to go again. Okay? So, come here. No more. Come here. This time I'm going to be different. So. Oh, God. You messed me up with your little whiskers. They tickle my face. I couldn't stand it. We're going to go round 3. And you're going to start from over here. You're going to start from down here. Where the camera is. Hi, guys. No, Kitty, wrong way. Get over here. You're doing the wrong thing. You fall. You want to go down? You want to be down? Okay, get your butt back on the ground. And when I go meow, you jump up here as quick as you can, okay? Got it? Got it. Meow. Meow. No milk. Milk is bad for you. Okay, now when I say meow, you jump up here. Meow. 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 As soon as I go over it, you want to jump. Don't play with my heel. You know I don't like that. Now we're going to try. And you're going to be quick. Got it? I love you. I love you too, guys. You jump up here. Jump down. And when I say meow, 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 you jump up here. What you trying to do? I know. Meow, meow. Purring, you're purring hard. You go back. I love you too. You're my pillow, okay? Hey, you're comfortable. Oh, ow. I think my mom's home. She is home. Hey guys, I see you later. My mom's home. I'll make another video. I can't let my mom know I'm on YouTube. Bye guys. See ya. Comment, like, and subscribe.